I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
Chapter 1. How bank connections will change your life. Putting bank transactions into your books is frustrating. It's slow, manual work. And it's hard to keep up with mounting paperwork. But with Xero's bank connections, information flows automatically into Xero each business day. So it's easy to keep your accounts up to date. Here's how it works. Chapter 2. Setting up is simple. Setup is super easy. Just click Add Bank Account, follow the prompts, and in no time, your bank is updating your accounts without you lifting a finger. And you can set up multiple feeds with multiple banks. Just look at them go. Chapter 3. Your data is protected. With Xero, all of your financial information is safe and secure. Every transaction between Xero and your bank is encrypted. So your data is protected from any would-be invaders. Chapter 4. Up-to-date cash flow. When you need to know how your accounts are looking, all your financials are in one place, no matter where you are, giving you an up-to-date view of your cash flow. Beautiful. Xero's bank connections are just one way Xero can make your life a lot easier.